Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in timestamps to your videos in CapCut PC. I'll be using this video for today and I'm just going to select text here. Go to text template, and if you're not on time, just select this one. You're going to select whichever one you want. I'm just going to select this one because there's like an animation to it. And I'm also going to select the 1818 one, and you can change it. I'm just going to make it the time now. You can also change the date here, so it's a Monday, June 3rd. If you want, you can change the font here as well. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!